Hey there. So if you're like me and you have a heap of USB drives lying around with random versions of Windows 10, how do you actually tell what version of Windows is on there? That's usually never updated what's written on the label. So how can you tell? Well, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so we have got the short way and the long way. The long way giving us a little bit more information. So we want to start a PowerShell with elevated privileges, so as administrator. Then we are going to go into that and type in the following command: DISM-get-wiminfo -wimfile, and then the location of that wimfile, which may also end in ESD, as is the case in this one. So we can see up the top here x64 and x86, so if you can't see the sources folder under the drive, it'll be in one of those. So when we run that, we get our version here, 10.0.19041, which is what we're looking for. And the advantage of this command is it shows you what versions of Windows 10 are available for install from that drive. So this is the long way. There's also a quicker way of doing it, which gives you this much information anyway, not these extra numbers. Don't worry about them. So on your drive, right click on the setup, go to properties, details, and you've got here under file version, so 10.0.19041. So there you have it. So yeah, that's that. I'll catch you next video. Goodbye.